Okay, so let's start with Cloud Code agents. This is a great way to begin your UI/UX design journey and simplify the entire design process. To begin, you need to create an agent. You'll use the /agent command to configure it. Before we proceed, let me share an exciting update. There's a 200K token context window per agent. This is a big deal because it allows for much larger context handling, which means agents can plan more effectively. With this extended context window, agents can handle large code bases, long conversations, sizable files, and even perform deeper levels of thinking. To demonstrate this, I've built a simple note-taking app. It's very basic, just a full window with a minimal layout. But the design is not that great. The spacing's off, the color contrast is weak, and the buttons, like the blue plus new button or the delete icon, aren't up to industry standards. Overall, the app is quite plain. So the plan is to redesign this into a beautiful grid-based layout. For that, we'll start by creating an agent. Type /agent and you'll see options to create a new one. You can either choose project or personal. We'll go with project for now. There are two setup options, generate with Claude or configure manually. Let's go with the Claude generation. This is the recommended route. All you need to do is describe what your agent should do. I pasted in a simple description, but you can write a detailed or simple one based on your needs. Cloud Code will use that to create and configure the agent for you. After providing your prompt, you'll see the agent configuration begin. You can also select a representative color for the agent. We'll go with blue. The agent is now being created. In this example, we've created an agent called ShadCN UI Designer. Don't worry about the location or other metadata. All of that can be reconfigured later. Once it's created, press Enter to continue. If you want to cancel, just hit Escape. You'll now see the newly created ShadCN UI Designer agent listed. You can open the agent's file to view the detailed prompt and instructions it follows, all auto-generated by Cloud Code. You can modify this prompt anytime, add new instructions, update the behavior, or fine-tune its responses. If you exit back to the main prompt area, you can start typing commands again. Now that the agent is created, let's use it. Simply instruct the system to redesign the UI/UX of this web app using our agent, specifying the agent name. This tells Cloud Code to use the ShadCN agent instead of relying on general-purpose AI. Before we redesign, let's look at the current state of our app. Flat, simple, and uninspiring. Once you initiate the redesign, the agent takes over and starts working. It automatically picks up the ShadCN UI agent, which is exactly what we want. Now we're in plan mode. You'll see a green indicator. The agent will present a detailed plan outlining the redesign approach, step by step. The plan includes the current UI state, the design principles to follow, modern, minimal, responsive, mobile first, and the components it will use. These plans are incredibly detailed, something you'd otherwise have to iterate on manually over and over again. Just with that one prompt, the agent has figured out everything, from design principles to components, and laid out a comprehensive strategy. That's the power of Cloud Code agents. You can then click Yes and enable auto-accept to let the agent implement its plan. It also provides a detailed to-do list, broken into phases. For example, Phase 1 might include installing and configuring ShadCN UI with Tailwind CSS, setting up project dependencies, and initializing components. You'll see real-time updates as tasks are completed. Tasks are struck off as they're done, giving you clear visibility into progress. The best part? The agent doesn't just design, it also tests and polishes the final output. If it finds any design issues, it automatically adjusts and improves them. Once completed, it summarizes what's been done. It transforms your basic app into a modern web app with features like dark mode support, even if you didn't ask for it, flat UI, card layouts, search bars, hover effects, and even a three-dot menu for actions. Now let's run the app and see the results. The new design includes dark mode, modern cards, beautiful buttons, hover states, and even a three-dot menu for actions. When you add a new note and save it, you'll see how well designed and visually appealing everything is. Even features like favoriting, searching, and managing notes are seamlessly integrated. This is a complete transformation from the original app, and we did it all using a single prompt with an agent. No need for multiple iterations or reworking. The agent has done a fantastic job, executing everything from planning to polishing. This is the beauty of Cloud Code agents. You can initialize them, configure them, create multiple agents for different tasks, and let them build professional, beautiful web apps for you. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon.